Carrot! Hey, baby Carrot! What? I'm really glad you could stick around. Enough! Enough! What? Does baby need a bottle? Shut up! Shut up already! You've been talking for hours! Yeah, I am getting kind of sleepy.
Looks like you could use some Zoom.
Huh?
With Zoom, you don't have to count sheep. You can ride them at the speed of sound.
Hey, get it, buddy. Time for bed.
Just one sip gives you a full night's rest in just 30 seconds.
Woohoo! Yeah? Well, then you can't do this.
Zoom can do.
Whoa!
Woohoo! Did you know that Zoom is also an alternative energy source?
Did you know I can do this?
Careful, Zoom is under tremendous pressure.
What? I thought you were aluminum.
Zoom can't hold it any longer.
Hey!
Watch out! This is extreme!
I don't want your backwash.
Zoom is feeling drained.
Yuck! This place smells like cough syrup.
It's not cough syrup. It's Zoom!
Are you okay?
Hey, Zoom! I thought you were a can, but you look like a can.
Zoom is down.
What's the matter? Feeling drained?
Okay, what's going on
Hey,
here?
hey, Bear! Can you do this?
What are you doing?
Hey, look! I'm a motorboat! Make it stop!
What's going on?
Won't anybody shut up! Whoa! I just realized I can do this!
Orange! Orange! Orange!
Hey, who said that? I didn't say it. Did you say it, Bear? I didn't say anything.
Orange, you gotta slow down,
Slow
bud.
down! No way! I feel great! I'm gonna get so much done! I want to paint the house! You want to paint the house, Bear? Let's paint the house! Oh my God! I can't take it anymore! Hey, Carrot! You should eat something! How about some baby back?
Okay, it's okay, little guy. Don't worry. I'm sure this is gonna wear off any second now.
Baby back ribs! Is he finally,
Yeah. Phew. I think it's finally over.
Thank goodness. For a second, I thought I was going to get a noise attack. Hey, baby Carrot. Yeah? Bunny Rabbit.
Zoom feels empty inside.